Okay, we start by drawing a 1-inch line along the green. Then we're going to draw a 2-inch line on the red. 1-inch line on the green. And a 2-inch line along the red. Then we draw a 0.25 line on the red. A 1-inch line on the green. A 0.25 along the red. A 0.25 on the green. A 2-inch along the red. A 0.25 on the green. A 0.25 on the red. And a 1-inch on the green. A 0.25 on the red. A 0.25 on the green. A 2-inch on the red. And a 0.25 on the green. Then we draw a circle, 0.25 radius in 4 places. Then we're going to erase everything on the inside. We're only going to leave the outside of the circles and the 4 outside lines. That's all we want, is just the very outside. Then we push pull it, 0.75. Then we draw a 3/4 inch line from the midpoint. Then we draw a circle, 1/2 inch radius. And we draw a 0.25 line on the green, a 0.25 on the red, a 0.5 on the green, a 0.5 on the red, a 0.5 on the green, and then we'll finish up connecting our square. Then we're going to go ahead and erase our construction lines. And then we'll push pull our 1/2 inch square. Then we'll draw a line down here. Midpoint to midpoint. Then we're going to draw a circle. And that will be a 3/8 or 0.375 inch radius. Then we'll get rid of our construction line. And then we will push pull that circle, 12 inches long. Now we're going to go back and dimension all our features. From one edge to the other, it's 2.5, 1.5, and the radius is 0.25. And our square is 1/2 by 1/2 by 1/2. And that circle was 1 inch diameter or a 1/2 inch radius. Our thickness down here, 3/4 of an inch. And there is our 12-inch handle. On our ratchet, that 1/2 inch square would fit into that socket hex component that we made.